Just in time for National Dairy Month, James Beard award-winning celebrity chef Karen Akunowicz is teaming up with Wisconsin Cheese to share some new recipes for the perfect summer celebration. Akunowicz was a fan favorite on Bravo's Top Chef, a judge on Beat Bobby Flay, and a competitor on the Food Network's Tournament of Champions. Welcome, Chef Karen.
Hi, thanks so much for having me.
We're thrilled to have you here on the Tech Show to share some of your summer party menu.
Well, the recipe for any great summer party is great food. So I'm using cheese from Wisconsin, the state of cheese. Wisconsin wins more awards for their cheese than any other state or country, so it's always the key ingredient in my recipes and on my table.
Do you have any favorites for brunch or for a party menu?
Oh, absolutely. So for brunch, I love a Burnett Dairy smoked provolone puff pastry. So it's so easy. We're going to wrap the provolone in the puff pastry, brush it with a little bit of egg wash, and bake it for 30 minutes. It's ooey gooey and delicious. Everybody's favorite. The best cheese in the world is made in Wisconsin, where the cheesemakers are so serious about their craft that they have the only master cheesemaker program outside of Europe. It's the most rigorous training program and takes up to 13 years to complete. It takes 13 years to become a master cheesemaker.
What's on your menu for lunch?
So for lunch, I love to make a grilled feta niçoise salad. And one of the tricks is I pop the Odyssey feta on the grill so it gets a little smoky and a little bit soft before I pop it on top of the salad with the grilled vegetables and the chicken. It's cow's milk feta, so while it's still tangy and delicious, it's a little bit softer and a little bit creamy. Wisconsin crafts half of the nation's specialty cheese. It's a world of cheese in just one state.
Where can we go for more information?
So for more recipes and stories, go to wisconsincheese.com and always look for the Proudly Wisconsin Cheese badge.
Thanks so much, Chef.
Have a great day. Thank you.